Hello, everyone. Economic Ninja here. I want to talk today about how graffiti can make you rich. This is definitely a different topic for me, but I believe that over 1,000 men and women that are wasting their passion, their talent, and a feeling that they're searching for inside on spray painting rail cars, signs, buildings, monuments. First, before I tell you how it's going to make you rich, I need to tell you that I was inspired by this video and I had to pull over because I saw something very small, some vandalism on a speed limit sign. It was a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit sign, and all there was two dots right in the middle of the zero that made it look like a face. Now, at face value, this isn't that big of a deal. But when I drove by, I had a vision of the person that did it. And every single time they drove by that sign, they got a feeling of exhilaration, that it was still there, that they were the ones that did it. Everything, every emotion welled up inside of this person from their memory of how, stressful it was or scary it was for them to go out there, pull over on the side of the road, jump up there and spray paint these two circles. And I know this sounds funny, but trust me, I'm going somewhere with this. To the feeling of pride that something that they did is being seen by thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people each day driving by a highway. As I drove by and I thought about this, and I could feel the feeling inside of this person, I thought about those rail cars that I've seen on the highway with this amazing talent, honestly, shading in the letters, the symmetrical design, that some people really put into this art. And this is what I'm inspired to talk to you about right now. And if you know anybody that's into this, please share this video with them, because I honestly believe not only is this going to make some people very rich, but I believe it is going to heal their soul and their spirit, build their confidence, change their lives. And in turn, they're going to change other people's lives because they're about to tell their story. This is what I believe you need to do. Stop wasting your time on the side of a train car or on the side of a wall. That's what I want you to do. And I think you're going to love this. Go and get a big piece of butcher paper, a roll of butcher paper. Go and find an object that you can paste this or tape it up to. Even if you have nothing and it's just a cardboard box from a refrigerator, go to the back of Home Depot and ask for a refrigerator box. They'll gladly give you one. What I want you to do, I want you to take your cell phone and set it up. And all I want you to do is hit record when you're ready to start creating. And then what I want you to do is I want you to post that to social media. Now, there's a couple things that are going to happen. Actually, there's a handful of things that are going to happen with you, with your finances, and with your mind. First off, when you are on that camera, and it's hard to be on a camera because a lot of graffiti artists do things in secret and they enjoy the feeling when they see it, their signs, their words. The passion that you have. I remember I knew a graffiti artist that all throughout high school, all he did was sketch out graffiti on his notepad, who was a horrible student, very much similar to me. But his attention to detail and the effort that he put into those letters was unlike something I'd ever really seen before. And so when you're painting, when you're drawing in front of a camera, the only people that are honestly going to want to watch are people that understand what you're going through, what you're experiencing, or what you expect to achieve. You may not get a lot of views. But what you're doing is you're concreting something on this earth. You're releasing your creative energy in a controlled environment. And then this is what's really exciting. That piece of art isn't sitting on a rail car in some rundown rail yard in Queens or in Nebraska or in California where no one's enjoying it. You have it, which means someday you'll be able to sell it. I believe that there are people out there with so much talent that is underutilized, that when you take the time to put it on a canvas and then you post it for the world to watch, and then you say simply below, if you're interested in buying this piece, here's my email, and just put a price to it. Not only are you going to get your creative juices out there, but more people, the ability to have more people around the world be attracted to your talent is almost unfathomable. You let God do the rest. Honestly, we need more artists to rise up. We need more entrepreneurs to rise up. We need more caregivers to rise up. How do we do that? We tap in to your natural ability and in a good way exploit it. It's you doing it. You're putting your talent out there. It's scary at times. Trust me. I know. But you're never and think about what's the worst case? Some people say some mean things online. Yeah. Right? Those people are just cowards. They wouldn't have the guts to say it to your face anyway. Or maybe nobody buys your art. But you know what? You have it, because that is a piece of you. I believe with all my heart that thousands of men and women are going to come across this video and it's going to change their life. Not because of the economic ninja and what he said, but because of what's being said inside of you, inside of your spirit, inside of your soul right now. This is a way to get the graffiti off the streets and where it belongs. Your creation, your art, your passion belongs in your possession or on the wall of somebody that truly admires it and would pay good money for it. I believe that thousands of people are about to become the creators that they never thought possible. Honestly, I would do this if I could paint, if I could draw. I'm not the best. So I just stick with what I do well. And that is to bring out the best in you. I hope you got something from it. If you are one of those people that this video is just really resonating in your spirit, let me know down below. I can't wait to see the new generation of artists rise up and not only become wealthy in their bank account, but wealthy in their spirit, because as your life changes for the better, you're going to change other people. I hope you have a great day. The Economic Ninja is out.